Radha Radha. A particle of gold is gold, Bhagavad Gita. And told Prakriti is always subordinate, predominated by the Lord, who is the predominator. The living entities in the material nature are both predominantly controlled by the Supreme Lord. According to Gita, the living entities, although part and parcels of the Supreme Lord, are to be considered Prakriti. This is clearly mentioned in the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Apreyam itastav anyam prakrtim Vidhi me param jivarutam. This material nature is my inferior Prakriti, but beyond this is another Prakriti, Jiva Bhutam. The living entity's material nature itself is constituted by three qualities: mode of goodness, the mode of passion, and the mode of ignorance. Above these modes there is eternal time, and by a combination of these three modes of nature and under the control and purview of the eternal time, there are activities which are called karma. These activities are being carried out from the time immemorial, and we are suffering or enjoying the fruits of our activities. For instance, suppose I am a businessman and have worked very hard with intelligence and have amassed a great bank balance. Then I am an enjoyer. But then say I have lost all my money in business. Then I am a sufferer. I am a businessman. I am a businessman and have worked very hard with intelligence and have amassed a great bank balance. Then I am an enjoyer. But then I say I have lost all my money in business. Then I am a sufferer. Similarly, in every field of life, we enjoy the results of our work or we suffer the results. This is called karma. Ishvara, the Supreme Lord, Jeev, the living entity, Prakriti, nature, Kal, eternal time, and karma, activity, are all explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Out of these five, the Lord, the living entities, material nature, and time are eternal. The manifestation of Prakriti may be temporary, but it is not false. Some philosophers say that the manifestation of the material nature is false, but according to the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita or according to the philosophy of the Vaishnavas, this is not so. The manifestation of the world is not accepted as false, it is accepted as real but temporary. It is likened onto a cloud which moves across the sky, or the coming of the rainy season which nourishes grains. As soon as the rainy season is over and as soon as the cloud goes away, all the crops which are nourished by the rain dry up. Similarly, this material manifestation takes place at a certain interval, stays for a while, and then disappears. Such are the workings of Prakriti, but this cycle is working eternally. Therefore, Prakriti is eternal. It is not false. The Lord refers to this as my Prakriti. This material nature is the separated energy of Supreme Lord. And similarly, the living entities are also the energy of Supreme Lord, although they are not separated but eternally related. So the Lord, the living entity, material nature, and time are interrelated and are all eternal. However, the other item, karma, is not eternal. The effects of karma may be very old indeed. We are suffering or enjoying the results of our activities from time immemorial, but we can change the results of our karma or our activity, and this change depends on the perfection of our knowledge. We are engaged in various activities. Undoubtedly, we do not know what sort of activities we should adopt to gain relief from the actions and reactions of all these activities, but this is also explained in Bhagavad Gita. The position of Ishvara, the Supreme Lord, is that the Supreme Consciousness, the Jivas or the living entities being parts and parcels of Supreme Lord. Sri Radha 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 are also conscious, but both the living entity and material nature are also explained as Prakriti, the energy of the Supreme Lord. But one or the two, the Jiva is conscious, the other Prakriti is not conscious. That is the difference. Therefore, the Jiva Prakriti is called superior because the Jiva has consciousness which is similar to the Lord's the Lord's supreme consciousness, however, and one should not claim that the Jeev, the living entity, is also supremely conscious. The living being cannot be supremely conscious at any stage of his perfection, and the theory that he can be so is a misleading theory. Conscious he may be, but he is not perfectly or supremely conscious. The distinction between the Jeev and the Ishvara will be explained in the 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Lord is Kshetrakya, conscious, and as is the living being. But the living being is conscious of his particular body, whereas the Lord is conscious of all the bodies. Because he lives in the heart of every living being, he is conscious of psychic movements of a particular jiva. We should not forget this. It is also explained that the Paramatma, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is living in everyone's heart as Ishvara, as the controller, and that he is giving directions for the living entities. Directions for the living entity as to act as the determination to act in a certain way, and then he is entangled in the actions and reactions of his own karma. After giving up one type of body, he enters another type of body. As we take off and put on clothes, as the soul thus migrates, he suffers the actions and reactions of his past activities. These activities can be changed when the living being is in the mode of fitness, insanity, and understands what sort of activities he should adopt. If he does so, then all the actions and reactions of his past activities can be changed. Consequently, karma is not eternal. Therefore, we stated that of the 5 items, Ishvara, Jiva, Prakriti, time, and karma, 4 are eternal, whereas karma is not eternal. The Supreme Conscious Ishvara is similar to the living entity in this way. Both the consciousness of the Lord and that of living entity are transcendental. It is not that consciousness is generated by the association of matter. That is the mistaken idea. The theory that consciousness develops under certain circumstances of material combination is not accepted in the Bhagavad Gita. Consciousness may be pervertedly reflected by the covering of material circumstances. राधे 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 श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 हमारो धनी राधा श्री राधा परम धनी राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 श्री लाडली किशोरी राधे दया करो श्री लाडली किशोरी राधे श्री राधे 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 जय राधे जय राधे राधे श्री श्यामा जय श्यामा श्यामा श्री श्यामा 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 श्री श्यामा 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 जय श्यामा जय श्यामा श्यामा श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 श्री राधा 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 जय राधा 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 जय राधा वल्लभ श्री हरिवंश, जय राधा वल्लभ श्री हरिवंश, जय राधा वल्लभ श्री हरिवंश, जय वृंदावन जय वनचंद, जय राधा वल्लभ श्री हरिवंश, जय जय वृंदावन चंद, श्री राधा राधा राधा, श्री राधा राधा राधा। श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी, जय जय श्री हरि दास दुलारी, श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी, जय जय श्री हरि दास दुलारी, श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी, जय जय श्री हरि दास दुलारी, श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी, जय जय श्री हरि दास दुलारी, जय जय श्यामा जय जय श्याम, जय जय श्री बरसानो धाम, राधे किशोरी जब जब जन्म दो, मुझे बरसाने में अपनी किसी भी रूप में दे देना, चाहे मुझको किसी भी जीव जंतु कीट पतंग पौधे का जन्म दे देना, ए लाडली में जहाँ रहूं मुझे वहाँ वहाँ बरसानो मिले, मेरी किशोरी को बरसानो मिले, मेरे हृदय में बस जाओ, मेरे जीवन में आ जाओ, मेरी किशोरी लाडली राधे, तुम बिन मैं कहाँ का हूँ पंछी, तुम वो पता हो जिसका खत मैं हूँ, हे किशोरी तुम वो पता हो जिस पते पे का खत मैं हूँ, जय राधे राधे राधे, जय श्यामा श्यामा श्री श्यामा, जय सुदेवी रंग देवी, जय चित्रा लेखा, जय चित्रा देवी, जय ललिता देवी, जय इंदु लेखा सखी की जय, श्री राधा 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 राधा, राधे कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे, राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम, राधे 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 कृष्ण 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 राधे राधे, राधे श्याम 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 राधे राधे, जय राधा श्री राधा राधा। बोल लाडली सरकार की जय, सभी ब्रजवासियों की जय, बरसाने धाम की जय, संत भक्तों की जय, गोसाइयों की जय, मेरी लाडली सरकार को प्रकट करने वाले भक्तों की जय, अपने अपने हृदय में बसाने वाले भक्तों की जय। जय जय श्री राधे श्याम।